The best way to resign at a job and keep your future relationship intact.
Naren.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. When you're in the business world, people come and go in an organization. Running a certain part of this organization that I do, there are people who resign. But as a boss, what I love is when someone wants to resign, before sending a resignation letter or sending an email directly, they come in person and they let me know that, hey, I want to resign. What that does is that leaves a personal touch, a grounds to catch up on, also for me to learn as to what is motivating them to resign. And that's okay, because an organization has people come and go. But that's a wonderful way for also someone to keep a good relationship after they've left an organization, for the future if they were to return, or in future if they need help from their boss or that organization. I think that's a good way to resign from any post, when you inform in person before sending an official letter or email. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.